Hi students, a very pleasant and warm greetings to you all. Hope you are doing good. Last session we have seen about HTML list and links, right? In list we have seen about ordered list, unordered list and definition list, right? That is numbered list and unnumbered list and definition list, okay? In link also we have seen about internal links and external links, right? So you would have got a clear idea about the list and links, right? And today we are going to see about adding the multimedia elements and forms into HTML. Okay, here first we are going to insert the image. Okay, image means that is the main part to present the HTML. That means to present a web page through HTML in an attractive manner, right? Normally, when you have a book full of words, you won't prefer to read it, right? When you have some images or if you have some colorful content there, we'll prefer to see that page at least, right? So this images plays a major role in making the page attractive, right? For what this HTML is used to create a web page. Right here, to create an attractive web page, we have to insert some multimedia elements inside the web page, right? So here images are used in a complex concept in a simple way, okay, to make it more attractive and make the web pages more communicative. We use this images in the web page. Okay, images which is displayed on the web page, first you have it has to be converted into a universally supported format, right? Most of the browsers will support GIF, JPEG and PNG image formats. Here HTML5 introduces SVG images also. One format of image can be converted into another format by using the image editing application. What are the image editing applications? You may have some image photo editing apps in your mobiles, right? Same way here we'll use Photoshop or Picasa or GIMP and so many image editing softwares are there to edit your photos, right? So we can use any of these applications or the software, and you can change the format of the image and you can use it to insert it in the web page. Right here, the familiar image formats are, we know, GIF, JPEG, PNG, SVG. GIF is graphical interchange format, right? This is one of the most popular format for animated images, right? This is developed by uh, CompuServe, that is COMPUSERVE. Usually, if you see this image format, it is useful for presenting a small animated image, right? And it is used for logos, icons, line art, etc. and all. We'll use this GIF image. Okay, this is not suitable for photographic works and all, because it will use the maximum of 256 colors, right? Animated GIF will not support sound or playback control and all, right? Here GIF means it is like a image only. It will have a small change in the image. Okay, this one won't support some sound or playback control and all. Okay, the next one is JPEG, that is Joint Photographic Experts Group. Okay, this is the most popular image format which is supported in by all, maximum all the web servers will web browsers will support this JPEG. Okay, this format is useful for all the photographic images and all, right? Like unlike GIF and JPEG will can include any number of colors, right? This uh, GIF had 256 colors, right? So here not like GIF, here JPEG can include any number of colors inside the image. Okay, the next one is PNG, that is portable network graphics. Okay, PNG is designed as a replacement for GIF. Okay, this is also supported by most of all the browsers. Okay, the next one is SVG, that is scalable vector graphics. This is the graphics format that was developed for web. It means it is a standardized. It is standardized by the World Wide Web Consortium, that is W3C in 2001. Okay, all current web browsers support basic features of SVG. Okay, the next one is about inserting images in HTML document. Before inserting the image, we have to know about the image format that we have seen, right? GIF, that is graphical interchange format. JPEG, that is joint photographic experts group. PNG, portable network graphics. SVG, that is scalable vector graphics, right? And the next one is about inserting the images in HTML. Okay, for that the tag is img. Okay, img tag along with the attribute src, that is source. Okay, you have to give where the image is there, the source of the image you have to give, right? So inside the img tag you have to give the source, that is src. This is used to add the images in HTML document. Okay, the general format is img space src, that is equal to, and then you have to give the image name with extension, right? Or if it is a link, you can give img src is equal to, and then you can give the URL, right? Src attribute, this is the main attribute. Here only we'll specify the file name of the image which is inserted, right? If the image is not um, in the current working folder, that means you'll be saving that HTML document in a folder, right? If that image is not in that particular folder, you have to mention the path of the file also, right? Or the URL where the file is available. If you have to create a folder and inside the same have to give the path of the file, right? That means if it is in the D drive, you have to give D colon slash, and inside the images folder means images, and then again slash, and then if it is inside animals folder means animals, and then you have to give all the folders name separated with a slash, and at last you have to give the pictures or the image name with the extension. Okay, so you will get the output in the, output you will be able to display the image, right? And the, yeah, we can see the other attributes of image tags. The other attributes are alt, that is alternative text. Okay, width and height, V space, vertical space and horizontal space, that is H space. Okay, and align, left and right values of align attributes. These are all the other attributes of image tags. Okay, first let's see about alt, that is alternative text. Okay, this alt attribute will come under this image tag only. It will come within the image tag, and here you will be having to describe about the image, so that when some text is conveyed, even when the image is not displayed, sometimes if it is not if the image format is not supported by the browser, that particular text will be displayed there. Okay, here the example is img src. You will give the image file name, right? And then space alt is equal to, and inside double quotes you will give a simple text. Okay, you can give any type of text, and if that image is not displayed, this alternative text will be displayed. Okay, and the next one is width and height. These attributes are used to set the width and height of the image. Okay, the value of these attributes should be in pixel, or it may be uh, in a percentage of its actual size. Okay, if these attributes are not specified, the browser will display the image in its original size itself. Okay, if you are mentioning the width and height attributes, it will display in which width and height you are giving that. In that particular width and height it will display. You have to give it in pixel or percentage. Okay, if you are not mentioning this width and height, what will happen? The web that web browser will display the image in its original size itself. Okay, and the v space and h space means vertical space and horizontal space. Horizontal space and vertical space means these attributes are used to set the vertical and horizontal space between the images. Okay, here if you are giving a number of images, you have to leave some space vertically and horizontally, right? That one will give inside this v space and h space. Okay, here we have seen about alt, width and height, v space, h space, right? That and all here they have given in page number 270. If you see the code, you will understand. First, inside the body tag, first one heading they have given, and then image source and alternative text and width 20%, height 25%, and v space and h space 20. Same thing they have given it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, right? So you will get the image 6 times with the width of 20%, height of 25%, and the vertical space will be 20 and horizontal space will be 20, right? Let's see the output of this. The output will be displayed like this. Okay, so you are clear about this alt, width and height, v space and h space, right? The next one is about aligning, right? Align attribute is used to align the image with respect to the baseline of the text. Okay, if this attribute will have some values, bottom, middle, top, these values will be there. Okay, if you are giving bottom, this will align the bottom of the image with the baseline of the text. Okay, this is the default setting. If you are not giving this also, normally if you are having a text, you will have a bottom line in that text, right? That baseline of the text will be the bottom line of the image. Okay, if you are giving the alignment as middle, the image will be aligned in the middle of that baseline of the text. Okay, if you are giving top means it will align to the top of the image with the baseline of the text. Okay, the next one is left and right values of align attribute. Here, in using the left and right values of align attribute, it will display the image on the left and right side of the text. Okay, here for that also they have given a coding and they have given the example output also, right? In page number 271 and 272, the coding and output is there. Just refer it. Okay, inside the body tag they have given the heading, inside h2 tag and image source they have given the path and the image file name, and alternatively they have given parent image, like that they have given a text, and then one text, one line they have given, and they have given 3 times break, and then another image, and then again they have mentioned another text. In that second text they have align is equal to top they have given, right? So the text will be aligned to the top. In the third one, if you see, align is equal to middle, so the text will be aligned in the middle, right? After that align is equal to middle also they have given a text and they have closed the body tag and html tag, right? So how the output will be there? First one is default. First one is aligned to the baseline of the text, right? The image bottom line and the text baseline is same. The next one we have given align is equal to top, right? So the text is aligned to the top of the image. The next one align is equal to middle, so the text is aligned in the middle of the image, right? And the next one is scrolling text using marquee. Okay, here in this HTML, if you see, you can make a part of text or a line or an image to move it horizontally or vertically using this marquee tag. Okay, this feature makes the web page more attractive. Okay, the general form of this marquee tag is marquee. The word marquee you have to enter in before and after the text. Okay, marquee tag is the opening tag and slash marquee is the closing tag for marquee. Okay, the attributes of marquee are height and width, direction, behavior, scroll delay, scroll amount, loop, bg color, h space and v space, right? When you're coming to the school, I'll show you in a system. If you're having the computer in your home, you just try it. Okay, when you're giving this mark you tag, what will happen means the text will be scrolled from one end to another end. Okay, here if you are giving these attributes, if you are giving the height and width means these attributes will set the height and width of the mark you. Okay, the value should be given. We have seen it already. You have to give it either in pixel or in percentage of the browser window. Okay, in that height and width the text will move. Okay, direction means we know the direction of the movement of the text or image, right? For that you have to give either up, down, left or right. You have to give those values there. If you have not mentioned any direction there, as a default one, the image or the text will move towards right to left by default. Okay, it will move from move towards right to left. Okay, move, it will as a default one, it will move like this. If you want to make it move up, down, left or right, you can just give the values as up, down, left or right. Okay, for that you have to give mark u space direction is equal to right, or the mark u space direction is equal to left, or mark u space direction is equal to up, or mark u space direction is equal to down. Like that you can give any direction you wish, right? The next one is behavior. This attribute is used to specify the type of scrolling. Here the values are scroll, slide and alternate. That means here you can use this behavior tag and you can use it along with mark you, and you can give scroll or slide or alternate. It will have some difference in that, right? The next one is scroll delay. This is used to give the time delay between each jump. Okay, the time you have to give in seconds. Okay, the scroll amount, that means it will define the speed of the scroll. Okay, scroll delay means it is the time delay between each jump. You have to give it in seconds. Scroll amount means this is used to define the speed of the scroll. Okay, the next one is loop. This is for defining how many times the marquee element should repeat on the screen, right? The default value will be infinite. If you are not giving this loop option or the loop attribute along with marquee, it will keep scrolling. Infinite number of scrolls will be there as a default one. Because when you are opening the screen, it will start scrolling until you close the screen, the text will be scrolling only, right? That is infinite is the default value. If you want to give some amount of time, or if you want to give this many times only the element must scroll means you have to give the value inside this loop. Okay, and the next one is bg color. This is used to specify the background color to the marquee elements. Okay, the element which is scrolling will have the background color if you are giving this bg color tag, right? And the next one is h space and v space. That is for defining the horizontal and vertical space around the marquee. Okay, the value you can give it in pixel or percentage. Okay, the example also they have given in page number 273. Just refer it. Okay, marquee means we know marquee, and inside the marquee and slash marquee you will give any one text or any heading, right? Inside marquee they have given marquee space direction right. That means it will scroll towards left to right, right? And if you are giving up, it will move towards up. If you are giving down, it will move towards down, right? So whatever you need, you can just give. If you want height and width, you can give direction or behavior or scroll delay or scroll amount or the loop, that is the time of marquee element, or if you need the background color, bg color, you can give. If you want to give the horizontal and vertical space around the marquee means that also you can give, right? Whatever you need, you can just mention it along with the marquee tag, and after opening the marquee tag you have to give the text, and in which that marquee, that option must stop, you have to give slash marquee. Okay, so in this way you can make a piece of text, or you can make an image to move horizontally or vertically. Okay, that is scrolling text using marquee, right? And the next one is adding video and sound. We'll see in the next session. Okay, so today we have seen about scrolling the text using marquees, and we have seen the attributes of image tag, and we have seen about the familiar image formats, and we have seen how to insert a image, right? This is the main part in adding the attractiveness of web page, right? So in the next session we'll see how to add video, sound and all to your web page, right? So make sure you read the tags, you read and make use of the tag, and try to write the coding, right? HTML format, you know, HTML tag you will open, head tag you will open, and you will open the title tag, you will give the title, close the title tag slash title, and close the head tag slash head, and then you will open the body tag, and you'll write the content of the web page, and you will close the body tag, right? Inside the body tag only you will give whatever tags or the attributes, everything you will give inside the body tag, right? And after giving all those things, you will close each tags, and then at last you will close the body tag and close the HTML tag, right? It is so simple to create a web page, right? You just try it out. Okay, thank you for your valuable time. Stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.